let me show you how we can cut file from one place and paste it into another without keeping the original file in the first place. So by default on Mac, we cannot see cut option. When you right click on your file, you got option to copy. Let's head to folder number 2. We can paste it here, but the original is still here. So how we can cut similar to Windows? In that case, you still just do a regular copy. So right click, copy, or you can use Command+C shortcut. But when you are pasting your file, you need to press Command+Option+V. So you will paste the file, but you will also remove the original one. So you will cut it and move to the new place. So that's how you do it. It's just regular copy, and then instead of regular paste, you must press additional buttons. So not only Command+V, but Command+Option+V, and that's it. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.